again at the market. I don't know if the minister them can listen to Mr. Tufton, but Mr. Tufton and Mr. whosoever. You see like how everybody has searched for masks for wear now. I am suggesting that everybody walk with them sanitizer. And that me I suggest. Everybody must have them sanitizer with them. That's when them come out of the supermarket and put on them luggage in them car or where them go. Them spray them on or wipe them on with it. Because it don't make sense. You're going to a supermarket and them sanitize you for the supermarket. And when you come out of the supermarket, you don't sanitize for yourself. You're going to a bank and you hold the doorknob, and you hold the other things them in the bank or in the ATM machine, right? When you come out, you don't have no sanitizer. Poor people now walk up and down with sanitizer, but we must learn to walk with it. We must learn to walk up and down with sanitizer. Because that is the only way you're going to prevent yourself from doing certain things like touch your face. It's the weirdest thing. It's like the virus knows that human beings love touch them face no matter what. And it decides, all right, we're going to attack them from them face. Because there's nowhere else you'll get it. It's your hand to your face that cause you forget it. It's nothing else. That's why them say, if you want to see season on your elbow, that's all. Because you know you're not going to touch your elbow. But it's your hand. The hand is the problem with something. We need to make the people them walk with sanitizer. That when them come off a bus, when them come out a building, and it's easy, you know, because everybody downtown has sanitizer. But nobody downtown use it more than so.